Hello guys, from Valencia in Spain. We are at the beach at the coast of Valencia. Valencia has everything, has the city life, has the city life, has the beach, and we are going to make a nightlife video also here. I just need to recharge my GoPro and my phone.
I just got here. You know where it's
So very nice. So like Valencia is the beginning of Andalusia, but it's not Andalusia. Everything down. Okay, there's some names. And so I think like Valencia has some mix with Andalusian and the north, Catalia. I don't know what to say in the north, but like they have some Catanian traditions and Andalusian tradition is mixed. It's really nice. There's some markets. Today there will also be some arrangements, I heard, from the marina. This is Catanian flag. Catanian flag, or I don't know. They are making some corn. Dreadlocks.
Que subo una semana, me salgo una hora antes. Ni a veces llego, de que miro el reloj y digo las 8.
Yeah guys, these are the last videos of Valencia. I made a lot of videos. Really nice.
No tanta, porque es verdad que
Que nosotros al mismo tiempo teníamos una.
A lot of different nationalities and different cultures. Lovely, lovely. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, I think Valencia wants, like in the future, there is some discussions whether or not Spain will have some division. There was some, well, I'm not going into politics, but just telling facts. Facts. There's coast guards, water to buy, cold water. You can wash after swim in the beach. Very pleasant. Let's go and see. I got only 1 minute left. Let's see. Let's see the sea. Let's see the sea or see you in the next video. Okay, I couldn't.